Having an existing relationship with a bank does not mean that your mortgage application process is going to go faster or guarantee you the best interest rate. So by automatically choosing the bank that you currently work with, you could be leaving huge savings on the table with your home loan. Today is Tuesday, November 8th, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related topics. Today's topic is, should I get my mortgage through my bank? And I'm going to give you a few things to consider, and then you can make that decision for yourself. So first thing is personal information. Your personal information from your checking, savings, or credit card account is not going to automatically populate into your mortgage application. You will also have to submit your tax documents, bank statements, and any other required information to get your mortgage application completed. So working hours. Do you have a full-time job? Because communicating with the bank during business hours might be difficult. And weekend communication might be equally as challenging because loan officers, processors, and underwriters tend to only be available Monday through Friday. So that's something you're going to have to consider. Now let's talk about discounts. Now, some banks offer closing cost discounts and maybe some other incentives or rebates, but this has to be considered with the big picture because a $1,000 closing cost credit is not going to move mountains as much as a lender who's offering you a significantly lower interest rate that's going to save you thousands and tens of thousands of dollars over the future. All right. Now, the pre-approval process with a bank could be slower. Your lender can typically, or most lenders can typically get you pre-approved in 24 to 48 hours, but a bank could take up to a week or more because they have a lot more people and checkpoints that they have to go through before they can officially pre-approve you. Now, does your bank offer the mortgage that you need? So most lenders are going to provide conventional loans because that's the standard way to buy, 20% down, and then they give you the 80% financing. But most buyers today are benefiting from additional new programs that we have. Now, I previously spoke about FHA, VA, and USDA loans. There's a video on my YouTube, so you can go head over there and check that out to see what those loans are about. But there's also many other mortgage products available now, including a mortgage product for self-employed individuals. So you submit different types of documents since you don't have pay stubs. There's mortgage products for people who are seeking jumbo loans, which are to finance the more higher value properties, and also refinancing. Some lenders want you to have at least 20% or more equity before they'll let you refinance. And so you want to make sure you understand if your bank is offering that type of program for you in that situation. Now, one thing I do want to say about VA loans is that VA loans allow military members to have no down payment and low closing costs. But just because a bank is associated with the military, so let's say USAA or Navy Federal, for example, it doesn't mean that they offer the best program. It doesn't mean that they offer the best interest rate. And it doesn't mean that they have the most knowledgeable loan officers for you. Some people think that they should go through the military bank, and that's the best route. But I have lenders that offer VA products, and they know a lot more than other loan officers who simply just work at the military associated bank. So please speak with me so I can give you a little bit more background on that and then connect you with some people who can help. And that brings me to my last point of shopping around pays off. So if there's competition to buy, which there is in New Jersey, especially in this New York region that we live in, you're going to probably go with the first lender who gives you a pre-approval because you're going to be in a time crunch to get your offer submitted. But shopping for the lowest mortgage rate is going to save you so much money in the long run. So you want to set yourself up for success because a lot of buyers come to me and they want to see the house first and get pre-approved second, but that's not the best route. Shop around for the mortgage, see who can pre-approve you, see what you can be approved for with different lenders, and then go based on that, and then you can start your house hunt. I did do a video previously on the benefits of getting your pre-approval first. So again, head over to my YouTube and check out that video so you understand a little bit more about that as well. Again, like I said, reach out to me for any questions. If you want to speak to my lenders, I have a great team of people that I can connect you with, and lenders who offer a variety of things, but from VA, to USDA, to low interest rate, anything you can imagine, first time buyer, please just reach out to me. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you can stay tuned on all of the real estate information that I have for you moving forward. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next Tuesday.